Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Bose headphones to your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want the sound output of your Nintendo Switch 2 to basically emit from your Bose headphones. How do you actually go ahead and connect both of them together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, this does depend on what type of Bose headphones that you have. So these right here are the Bose Quiet Comfort headphones, which I'm going to be using to connect to here. So first you want to navigate to settings, then you want to navigate to Bluetooth audio, and then you want to click on pair device. Once you click on pair device, this is going to start looking for any Bluetooth available devices that are nearby. So go ahead and click on this, and then let's actually go ahead and power on our Bose headphones. And then once you power on your Bose headphones, on Bose headphones, there should be a pairing mode. So for the Quiet Comfort headphones, all I need to do is swipe this up to the Bluetooth icon until it enters pairing mode. And then once it's in pairing mode, it should appear on the Bluetooth device list. So let me go ahead and do that again. And there you have it. So as you can see, Hypernova is the name of my Bluetooth Bose headphones. So I'm just going to go ahead and select Hypernova and then wait for a confirmation. So let's try that again. So right now it's in pairing mode. So click on Hypernova again. And now it's been connected, okay? So it just required a second try. Now, if we go back, you can see that Hypernova is now listed above paired devices and the check marks to it. So that means that the audio is coming out of my Bose headphones. So if I put on my Bose headphones and I start to use my Switch, I can now hear the audio from my Switch 2 come out of my Bose headphones. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Bose headphones to your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.